This was me 2 months ago.
A decade boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Guys, I am back at NJ Pearson. And today I will be piercing. You'll see in the end of this video. Yes, so I'm here. Yeah, nervous. Really nervous, yeah. I came here to do like one piercing actually. And I ended up doing 2 piercing. Yes, make sure you guys go over NJ Piercing. Yeah, bad piercer. That's where I did my nose piercing. You can see that from the previous video. Yes, right now the nose piercing is hiding. Yeah, it's a nice environment. I like the lighting and everything. He does it very well. And it ensures that, you know, you feel comfortable, you feel safe, you know, like, yeah, because it's a really intense procedure to like pierce somewhere on your body. And the fact that he's calm, patient, and yeah, it works well with you. Yeah, look at him just, you know, that in that thingy, you realize that my ears mega pierced right now. Yes, I have an ear piercing, however, well, I want another one, yeah. So I want 2 earrings in one earlobe, yeah. So right now I'm just fretting. I was thinking like, is this gonna hurt? How will I feel or whatever? My heart was like, but when like you just clamp it down like that, I didn't feel anything.
I'm thinking that on.
This for antibiotics.
Yeah, allow me.
No.
Yeah, sure.
You sure?
Talking up.
No, yeah. Can I deep breath? Hold the deep breath. You need? Hold it. Don't let go. No, deep breath. Hold it. And let it. See?
Weird.
Raymond's, I did it, hooray!
Oh my God.
See the guys. What are these here?
Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video for support the channel that not killer. Hey, a secret.
The place to be is NJ Piercing. It's located at McMaster Center. If you want to do a piercing, you guys can go over NJ Piercing and get y'all piercing. The road kind of rough now, so when I go home, I talk to you. Farmer John, what do you think? Did I see something new on me? Did I see nothing new?
You left the yard, see him when you come back.
No, I'm gonna come back see him today. Look good. Look that. Look good. Jesus Christ. Ed.
You messing up my head. I see him with your left leg.
I'm talking about my ears, lady. Look at the people. I'm a neighbor too. Look at it. Look now. Look now. My ass. I'm not gonna pierce my ass.
Where's your father?
What my daddy say?
Mom.
His mom was here. Oh my God. So you like it? You never asked. The ears piercing never asked. I don't know what you were talking about it hurt. It just cut, and that's it. But tough. I'm a neighbor, just cut. But you don't look a sting, but you never so bad. Okay, what are you painting me on? You know so. It's a nice piercing, man. When you the squirting, the one, you watch it. What says the girl? She bore her something and you just to do water, just. She not Johnny. Yeah, that Johnny. You know what? That's why I'm not doing that piercing. These are my last piercing. And that's what I say still, but I don't know. I feel like any other piercing I got had. So these are all the piercing I have, and I'm not gonna do anymore. Yes, that one is the first one I got from NJ Piercing. I did a second piercing on my earlobe. Yeah, that's. Then I have the stomach one. Yeah, that's my navel. Yeah, that's how it's looking. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop a video.